Hey everyone, it's Jessie. I hope you all are having a wonderful Christmas season so far. Oh, and I want to point out the little Christmas tree on my shelf. I finally got that on my shelf. That Christmas tree is a pattern by Bagel Day, Crystal at Bagel Day. So I'm going to link that down below if you're interested in making a Christmas tree. I happened to find a star tutorial. I can link that below too. And I found some little mini lights and ornaments, and I show it up close if you want to see it up closer in one of my previous videos, which I can link here too. And before I forget, these little guys, I'll grab one of them for you. I have a tutorial for these guys. If you're looking for like a last minute Christmas gift to make that's really quick, these little sock snowmen are wonderful little gifts. I find them so cute. Or if you want to make one for yourself, I can link that tutorial for you. So if you want to check that out, I go over the supplies, everything you need, and show you how to make it. So last Tuesday, today's Friday, Tuesday, I thought I would order my very first Herrschners order. I've been eyeing up Herrschners for a while. I watched people sharing their Herrschner hauls on YouTube, and I love it. I've always wanted to try it. I just have not until now. I had some Christmas money I could spend on myself, and I'm like, why not? Why not now? And one of these days, I would really love to go to Herrschners. I live in Wisconsin, and Herrschners is in Wisconsin. I can't remember how far it is from me. It could be like hour and a half to 3 hours. I can't remember. But one of these days when it gets warmer out, I am going to go head over there and check it out. And who knows? Maybe I will bring you guys along. Okay, so it's a pretty big box. It's a nice size box. I am pretty excited. So there's a few things that I know what I ordered that are in here. And then what I did was ordered some mill ends, which I have never done before. Well, I haven't ordered there before, so of course I haven't, but I've seen everyone they order the mill ends, and I don't know, I find that pretty cool. I don't believe they have yarn labels, but that's okay. Oh, the excitement. Lots of bags here. Sorry for all the crinkling. Oh, pretty. All right. Oh my. Okay. Oh, I love it. Okay, so the first one, we have Yarnspirations Karen Cloud Cakes. And this, you guys, is in the colorway Cinnamon Swirl, a medium 4 weights, and 760 yards, 240 grams. It's 100% polyester yarn. So my friend Shannon over at Shannon Talks Yarn, she has shared this colorway and this yarn so many times. She loves the cinnamon swirl, and every time she shares it, I love it so much. And finally, there was a great deal. I was able to order some. This is extremely soft. And look at those gorgeous colors. Definitely looks like a cinnamon swirl. I am in love with this. It is very soft. So I got 3 of these because they had a great deal on them. Now I can't quite remember how much these are a piece normally. I think it's around $12 or so, but they were on a great sale, and it was $20.97 for 3 of these. I got all 3 here. And I couldn't pass it up, and I'm so glad I did it. I know they had another one. I forget what kind of yarn that was. It was another cinnamon swirl colorway. It was like $3 a skein. It was a great deal. I was going to get both, but there were some other yarns, and I really wanted to try the mill end yarns. I had so many yarns in my cart, and I had to put a bunch back because I'm like, I can only pick so many. I can't go crazy here, even though I'd like to. Beautiful. These are beautiful. I don't know, so it's 760 yards, 3 of them. My gosh. And what is it? A 4 weight, I said? Yeah, 4 weight. I wonder, what could I make with this? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Is this enough yarn maybe to make a throw blanket, or is that not enough? I'm so not good at that yet, trying to determine how many yards I need for the projects I make. But there's a lot. Oh, well, look at this. Well, they do have a pattern right on here, right on the label, and it's showing a blanket, and it says 3 balls. So 3 balls would make a blanket with a 5mm crochet hook. Well, for this pattern in particular, I'm sure it depends on what kind of stitch you're using for your blanket and what size you start out with. So anyway, very excited about that. Okay, so the next one that I got was a yarn pack. It was the Meadow Purples yarn pack. And it was, I don't remember again how much these are separately, unless it says on the label. I doubt it. Yeah, I'm not quite remembering, but I got the yarn pack for $14.99, and it's a bunch of beautiful purples, and it's cotton yarn. Not quite as soft as I was hoping, but beautiful. It's not quite as rough as Lily Sugar and Cream, but definitely more rough than I Love This Cotton yarn at Hobby Lobby. So this yarn is called Willow Yarns Meadow, and there is 103 yards in one of these little balls, 50 grams, 95 meters. It's a 4-weight, 100% cotton, and this color is called Wisteria. I'll show that to you. So here's the color right here. You can see that, and the color number is 0015. So in the pack, there's 2 of those colors, and then we have this lighter purple, so it's the same yarn, and the colorway for this one is called Thistle. Color number is 0013. So I got 2 of those. Beautiful. And then we've got the next one, same yarn, in the colorway Larkspur, color number 0022. 2 of those. So let's pick up some of these colors here. Look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? Like 3 different shades of purple, and they look so beautiful together. I'm just not quite sure what I would make with it. I was thinking maybe an infinity scarf or something. I think it wouldn't be bad against the skin. It should be fine. It's not like super rough, but it's not as soft as I would hope. But that would just be gorgeous. Okay, so I have some more in the box. I have some mill ends next. I'm pretty excited. Let's see, which one do we want to do first? Okay, we'll first do the bulky weight acrylic mill ends. Now, I got this for $9. Okay, oh my goodness. Am I excited? Gotta grab my scissors and try not to cut the beautiful yarn. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm so excited. Let's get rid of the bag here. So, first one, this looks like a very light purple. Beautiful. It's very similar to this color. My goodness. Very similar. And, oh, it's soft. Soft yarn. Again, these are not going to have yarn labels, but that's okay. And I believe on their website they said it was a 5-weight yarn, if I remember correctly. So that definitely looks like a 5-weight, I believe. Maybe slightly bigger. I could be wrong, but nice, nice, nice. Oh my goodness. I have 3 of these. 3. So, oh, that would make a nice, soft, beautiful, like, scarf. Maybe enough to make a scarf and a hat. Maybe. Very pretty. Oh my. Set that back in our box here. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one, look at this. So pretty. Okay, I've told you guys before how I love browns and blues together. This has got browns and blues. Lots of browns, lots of different shades of blue, and like a cream color here. That's similar to the Prism yarn from Mary Maxim, there I go again. Mary Maxim that I got in one of my previous videos. The colorway looks so similar. If I had one now, I'd share with you guys, but it's in my other room there. So isn't that pretty? I only got one skein of that. I don't know. What would you make with one skein? Maybe you can make, well, I haven't crocheted a lot with 5 bulky yarns, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Was that enough to make a hat? I guess I don't know how many yards I have here. It looks like it would be. I love that. And I love the next one. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is so gorgeous. Look at this. This is like a teal color, and it has little flecks. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that'd be a beautiful hat too. I'd only wish I'd have enough for a scarf and a hat, but I don't think I do. I don't. Beautiful. Isn't that just pretty? I love it. Love it, love it. Okay. Oh, we have some more. Okay. I'm pretty excited. So this next one is self-striping cotton cake mill ends. I've got 2 of them here, and I paid $11.99 for these. And this one, I am so surprised. They have a yarn label. Can you believe that? So let me take one out, and as I'm showing it to you, I will read the yarn label. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It is so pretty. Okay, okay. Look at this. Look at the colors, you guys. It's got like this beautiful charcoal gray, and then it goes into some kind of like striped colors, like a lighter gray, and then into some like a white with gray in there, and then into pinks, and it's darker in the middle. Oh my. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, let me hold one up while I'm reading the label for you guys so you can take a look at. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so it is 100% cotton. How can it be that? Okay, so this might not be 100% cotton because it says 100% cotton, comma, 96% cotton / 4% metallic. Well, there's no metallic at all in this, so it's definitely not that one. Or 55% cotton / 45% acrylic. It says or 53% cotton, 43% acrylic, and 4% metallic. And again, it's not any of the metallic ones because there's no metallic in here. So it's either 100% cotton or the 55% cotton, 45% acrylic blend. It is soft, so I'm thinking maybe there's acrylic in this one. Could be wrong, but it could be a soft cotton too. All right, so approximately 225 grams a cake, approximately 875 yards a cake, or 800 milligrams. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. It is a 2 fine sport weight, and it recommends using a C2 hook for crochet. I don't know if I've ever used one that small. And for knitting, it recommends a US size 2 needles. It's beautiful. So if it's 875 yards per cake, and oh, can you believe how gorgeous that is? I can't get over it. I don't know, what would I make with this? I think maybe a beautiful shawl. I'd have to find a really nice pattern for this yarn and make a beautiful shawl, I think. I think it would be gorgeous. So I was just noticing, and I remember other people saying that in the middle of these, it has this little tag that says start. Oh, it says easy start. So easy start. So that is wonderful that they label that for you, because you know how it can go sometimes. You're digging around trying to find the end of the yarn, and I've had disasters sometimes. This is wonderful. This makes it so much easier. I'd have to say I am pretty impressed with my first Herrschners haul. There's so much other yarn that they had I really wanted to try out, but that'll have to wait until next time. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Take care.